A man in California, United States, U.S., was terrified when he found human hair appearing in an old grave believed to be 100 years old. The man named Joel Morrison accidentally found him while visiting St. Joseph's Catholic Cemetery in Sacramento, and immediately recorded the moment so that it went viral on social media. As of Saturday, the 18th of September 2021, the video of hair appearing in this old graveyard has garnered 1.6 million views and 300,900 likes. The janitor said Morrison felt bad for the family members who died and was concerned about the upkeep of the graves, feeling like maybe they were disrespected or desecrated in some way. Morrison also reported some graves were damaged by squirrels and other animals, or trees growing around the graves. Another netizen called the grave the scariest thing he had ever seen. However, some suspect that the unusual phenomenon occurred due to a natural disaster that caused the bodies to move in their graves. Others suspect that an animal might find the gap and try to get it out to make a bed in its nest. According to Jam Press, Morrison has his own theory about finding hair coming out of this grave. Morrison then returned to the grave the next day, but did not find the hair. He suspected local officials who cleaned it. In fact, Morrison plans to hand over the lock of hair to the coroner to determine whether it really belongs to a human or not.